very important thing while solving assertion reason problem. First is to avoid any kind of minor errors. This could be due to minor reasons. Small reasons, avoid those. Those are ambiguous. Go to the main reason. Why? Okay. Look only for big things. Read the choices and the reason and the assertion carefully. If there is not, if there is except, if there is any other thing that demarcates the statement, make sure you are not missing it. So don't miss any important thing. And then is interpretation. Since I said it is all about critical thinking, interpretation is important. It should not be an incorrect interpretation of the thing. The next important thing is, in the case of assertion reason problems and cause and effect problems, things can be used interchangeably. You can use one thing and then another thing and then the first thing. So there can be interchange of things which can be seen. But the way in which you proceed with assertion reason is a little different from cause and effect. Why? In cause and effect problem, you would understand whether there are two statements. Okay, the first could be the cause or the second could be the cause. You don't know. The cause is simply the reason. However, in assertion reason problem, it is well given. The first statement is assertion, the second statement is reason. So we have to only check that the reason is the correct reason for this assertion or not. First of all, the reason itself is correct or not, and then whether the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion or not. So let's say in these kind of questions, these are probably the 5 choices which are there. So the last choice is both assertion and reason are false. Assertion is false, reason is true. Reason is false, assertion is true. Both of them are true, but they are independently true. They do not combined make any sense. Both of them are true and they are a reason to explain it. So they are related with the word because. Clear? And that is how we understand the relation between the terms. Now, let's understand few examples here. Higher government spending increases inflation under all conditions. So if government is spending more, it would lead to inflation. Definitely it's a correct statement. Any production form does not offset the government's spending. Again correct. Now, both of them, since they are correct, remember, only when both of them are true, only in that circumstances I can connect them with the word because. And then if it is again true, I can say yes, assertion is correct, reason is correct, and reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Clear? So chloroform has a dipole movement, correct. Chloroform is a tetrahedral, again correct. And it has a dipole movement because it is tetrahedral in shape. That's again the reason for it. So again, this is the correct explanation for it. So assertion can be caused as the effect and reason can be called as the cause. But as I said, it is different from cause and effect questions, as we would understand in the next lecture, because in cause and effect question, any of the two statements could be cause, any of the two statements could be effect. There could be a common cause behind the two effects which are there, or there could be different causes behind the two effects which are given. So that is something that you have to identify, and therefore it requires one level higher level of thinking as compared to assertion reason problem. There is another statement here, blood sugar level falls rapidly after removal of liver, and that is because glycogen of liver is the main source of blood sugar, and this leads to fall in the blood sugar level.